big problems you'll run into when you're trying to do this is your odometer reset right here. If you have this style, this is loose in here, and that's the way they are. What you do to fix that so that no polish gets inside that hole is this. You take your vacuum cap assortment and you pick one that just fits over it. I put a little bit, tiny little bit of Vaseline on it so it fits over the odometer reset button right there. You take your razor blade and you cut it in half. I'm pulling up on the forceps as I'm pushing down on the rubber seal. Now, you see this? It's not loose anymore. It's sealed up for our buffing. What we want to do first is remove any of the dirt that may be on the lens itself. Applicator pad, always. And I fold it in half so you can get in there. And this thing will look absolutely gorgeous. All the scratches will be gone. So if you have one of those that you've cleaned accidentally back in the day, not thinking, and you just used a rag on it and scratched it up, over time it gets scratched up, then you're going to need to do this. Handy dandy DeWalt, which we love these. All the tools will be in the show more of the video description. Because I have a flat lens, I can use my cone buffer. You can do it by hand, but it takes a lot of work. Just telling you that. Again, if you have singular gauges where you can't get the cone in there to do what you need to do, you use this little tool right here. And we're using our long extension on our handy dandy DeWalt so that we can get in here and stand on the outside. So if you're sick of those scratches, this is what you've got to do, my friends. See how I can get right down in here? That's the nice thing about these cones. If you don't seal this up, next thing you know, you're going to get polish inside there, and then you're going to really be upset. We're going to put on the power ball. Going to add some more mothers. I'm going to do it again just because I can. By putting it on the lens itself, you don't splatter it all over the place. If there's any scratches in this lens, they will be gone. Brand new applicator pads and brand spanking new microfiber towels. I don't know if you can tell how nice that looks, but it is absolutely gorgeous. That thing is crystal clear. For plastic, wow. The owner said, I don't think you're going to get the scratches out of that. It is really messed up at night, especially when there's light coming through. That's good in its own, but we're not going to stop there. You know that. We never stop. Now we're going to get our new applicator pad for our mother's Brazilian carnauba. Scratches are gone. Cleaner wax is going on. Now we take another completely new microfiber. You can let that dry to a haze and then buff it off and do it a couple of times if you want. People don't believe it that we make these vehicles last 446,000 miles on this truck. But look at that lens. It's absolutely gorgeous. Crystal clear. Good luck to you.